Why you make it so complicated? Off the drink, we concentrating. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying.
Snow out the back tire, use a flame from a bad lighter. Nothing on but the street lights and those boots I like that go knee high. We make a deal and she gets the aux, as long as I hear my favorite song. Cuddy just dropped that Mr. Rager, we sing along and we smoke along and we drive along. Chat back and forth about what she's been on and what I be on.
Anyway, people, morning. Yo, this lighting does, yeah? Just up. Anyway, morning, I think we'll leave like about 8 o'clock or something like that. So now just go and like show around the place little. We'll have vibe a little. And then I'll actually shower, so I don't have to say me nasty, I'll shower. Yeah. Yeah, but then that's what one tree, man.
People early.
Yeah.
There in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
See me somewhere up on the mountain, you see me?
Yeah, see?
I tell you, you see me?
Yeah.
Ja!
Ja!
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Yeah, man, I feel like I don't know, bono pagan, you see me?
Yeah.
You see, bad man people that come on Razablade TV.
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah.
move for
Move.
me, so you see me?
Move up.
Feel like, you see me?
Yeah.
Fucking kush, you see me? Best editor in Jamaica.
Yeah, right now.
You see me?
Yeah. That's a lie.
I bet twice before I came here.
So you make sure to do that because you don't want me to come up here. Yes. You're smart, you know. You're smart, you know. People take you in the sunshine. Take you in the terrain. And that them think they're cool, but we could have done nothing else. Unless we were sleeping at a gazebo. People, my friends, I'm concerned. Everybody has said, don't do it.
Bro, the first day in life, it can be nasty, though. Just don't be it.
No, bro, I have to be it like right now. Like, me smell of smoke, bro. It smoke a style for me. Like, can't manage it.
Change your clothes, dog.
No, man, like, me have to hold a show.
Oh.
No, watch out. Let me tell you, telling people how you do it when you water cold. You see, you don't just run and go start beat. You just let the water, no, you let the water wet your feet, and when your body start get used to it, you wet your hand and you wet your back. They just go, pop, pop. Like Steve can't tell you that, you see me? But just when you go under there and no, you don't do it. Like, no, when the water cold, but me not like, alright. Hold on. Hold on. My Gucci. Yeah. No, hold on. Let me show you a vibe. You see, Moko damn cool. I'm not like, I'm going to this man, I say, yo, I think I'm cooler than this and Moko cooler than this right now. Like, I don't know if I because me not this, but Moko cooler than this right now. Honest to God. So I wake up on morning time, like, me literally, so I just go up and me literally pull over till 3 o'clock in the evening, brother. Like, everybody in the house up me, I say, yo, you're not normal. When everybody I say, yo, dog, you're not hot, I say, hot. Brother, I don't want, you see me?
Yes, that's your man,
yeah, they that, bro. But I'm still on under your belly, though.
For real, I can't manage this.
Yeah, bro, you're damn right. You look like a pregnant girl.
For real, Lord.
With no back.
Last night.
Hey, youth! What's this, man?
I get man.
Wait, I gotta take a show still. Let me get what?
See, backfire.
Backfire what?
Make a fat jokes.
So, you say you have me for the fat jokes?
No, I'm
Yo, I gotta edit this out then. Come on, how you feel away.
Come on, you post it.
You want me post it?
Come on, more when Stephen Paul comes.
You can comment?
Yeah.
In the vlog before this, I was showing you down here, which is the bathroom. But I'm showing you the inside now. You see? Water comes through that little thing, you turn on that little thing. The floor them most is still is it. The roof is nice, you know? So hold on. So
If you can make me go squirt and come tonight, obviously we can do something good.
I like how that sound. It's so like
What?
it's not like you lick it but you don't care.
Probably look for real. I don't care. I'm gonna say that can't do the dog. Yeah, but
Yeah, no. And that's the look back I come with.
No, I'm a
your friend. I know people want to fall for the...
Get to the because she a little camera.
Yo, the road, you know.
Sorry. You can't stop me up there. You expect I go go.
Vlog real, me lucky enough to go pick up a Vans. You see me? In the day, so finally me get that shoes. Just that me didn't want to tell you still, not more.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements.
About 2 weeks ago, yeah, oh, they take pop show?
Yeah.
Some old pop show buds and juke it down in the dirt and plant it. And guess what, people? Look like it up. Yeah. Look like it come up.
They never have the yellow
Yellow thing, yeah, the little bud that come up on it. I don't really want to touch it and flap it, you know. You see me?
It is sun up more, you know.
It is sun up more? At the sun?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't get water? You don't get water?
Not normally water, it's I guess it survives without...
Probably need to get some water though. Which part is the egg? Morning. Which part is the egg? But anyway, people, it look like it a grow up, so. Yeah, carry the dog there, come. Go for the dog there, you know. Yeah, so it look like it a grow up, so people we're gonna take time see if we can watch it and see what about. It's people, so we do a shot of a video for my main channel, you see me? Yeah, the thugs them there. And we're gonna play some Liverpool and who do I play against? Roma, yeah, Liverpool Champions League, you don't know. You don't know, you have Shade in the place, Windel in the place, and Jack. Kai. I don't know. Don't know, make him and him drink some juice and see. You don't know, so we kick it up here, you see?
Jacka, you know.
You see me, and Jacka. Empty? Alright, I pull it. A Jack protect it. A Jack protect it.
Yeah.
Jack powerful, you see me? Yeah, man, so that's the whole motive right now, you know? Yeah, man.
No one knows you could have chopped there.
Everybody can chop. Everybody a chopper.
Chopper.
Yeah, the chopper still. I'll listen here,
Yes, sir. What? What? Give a fine stick. Thing official, I know. Whoa.
But now I relocate to Ronia because Ronia so well under here so cool. Nice temperature and thing. I have to cheer her up people, because I guess so now. She bite up my neighbor them slippers and shoes them. She take away everything when she slip on the and I look like she had changed her teeth or something. She look kinda sad still. But yeah, so she will get used to everything, master. So I just say things said Bella Bell. You know? I know you love me forever. Right? She looks sad now people, but she alright because she just make be a nice man. She does not like the bondage and slavery. Alright, sir. I wonder if my overseas followers them when they're Jamaica again hit Bigfoot. But anyway, I have a few clips to put in the vlog, but I'm not going to put them in. I'll save them for the next vlog. Because I just want a quick reason we don't know. The Blue Mountain trip was great. I ended up reached late, but it was still great. It was a great little experience with other people, you see me? Socializing with some other people. All our vibes with other people. It was great. The mountains were cold at a point, but I feel like because I'm under prepared when it comes to like, I have like 3 big bush jackets and I never carry any to go on the mountain. But otherwise than that, it was great. The food we see are roast chicken, roast yam, roast sweet potato, roast saltfish. It was good. Tasted so good. It was a good experience, you see me? Well, some people say, yo, as a Jamaican, it look funny for me I hike, but we never go to the Blue Mountains before. I absolutely enjoyed giving you guys this content. And that's the type of videos I really want to put out for you in the near future, you see me? I know I not vlog like every day like first time, but I try to be quality over quantity. I don't want to post the same things every day, you see me, but I know my squad stay. Them stay lit same way. When I post or not, the pepper is a killing. When I post or not, I'm still link me up on Snapchat, Instagram, my WhatsApp, Facebook, you see me? So just stay tuned till I post the next vlog. I'm gonna finish this.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need